Hello, everybody. It's
Brad
and Victoria with Good World Goods. We haven't been on in a little while. I think everybody knows we moved our store and we are now co-joined with the makers at the Food City Shopping Center on East Brainerd Road. And I am signing on today. We are signing on today because we're in the store and we got a delivery and we're doing an unboxing. So you're going to get to see the stuff at the same time I get to see the stuff. And I just always think that's really fun. So I know a couple of things that I got and we'll see how they look. So Brad's going to hold the camera for us. I'll give you a quick peek around the store, guys, though. Hold on. Check this out. So we're filling up. I am very proud. We just got these in. Right here, every single bracelet, they're stone bracelets, and every single one donates to a different fund. So here's a list. It's animal rescue, breast cancer research, ending hunger, and it's a lot of fun. So just a quick peek. Always our local treats, and you can feel free. We'll ship for you, or you can make a basket. So let's get on with the unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, Brad, you ready? Sorry about all the movement, guys. You can hold it by the back tab if you want to. So I am prepared. So you can see I just opened it. I haven't looked at anything. So if it's bad, you're going to see that with me. And if it's good, you're going to see it with me. I'm always so excited. I'm like a little kid. The only way that I can keep buying and shopping is by owning a store. It's the only way Brad will let me spend money. So let's see. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, we just sold out on the website. We just sold out on the website, and I had to order more. These are the cutest little things in the world. Look, our little crocheted. I will hold them up, Brad. Our little crocheted duckies and chickens. So I have, what do I have now? I have 3 new sets. 3 new sets, and we'll put them out. Let's take a look real quick. You don't have to get in close, Brad. Nobody needs to see me that close. I'll come to you, I promise. Ready? Oh. These are really well done. Like I said, we just sold out. Look. We just sold out, and they're popular. People love them. And the little basket, hold on, it's too cute, you have to see it. Little basket of eggs. Isn't that charming? There. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, I ordered more than 3. Yeah, they're popular. Like I said, we just sold out. People are shopping early. Oh, the jewelry. All right, you're gonna have to wait to see the jewelry. And, that's right. Okay, everybody knows that Good World Goods is always carried. This is all still handmade. It's fair trade organizations, and so everything is still handmade. Look at that. It's springtime coming. So we always carry the little handmade purses and things like that. And trying to do it so you can still see it, but I'm right-handed. So look, it's a cute little pouch to keep in your purse. Makeup bag, pencil case. It's cute. Look at all the little stitching. Okay. All right, time for the scissors. See, I wasn't kidding. I really haven't seen any of this. Let's see. Ready? Oh no, all the paper. I love the eco-friendly part of this. I have no idea what this is, guys. Ah! Hold on. They did a fine job, didn't they? Holy cow. Yes, we will be reusing this. I am all about recycling. Oh! Okay, we sold out of these too. I have a large one. I'm just going to show you one. We have a large one and a small one. These are little handmade pottery bird planters. Look how sweet. So I have a small one coming too. It's in the box. And they look adorable together. They're great planters. Actually, some people I know have bought them. Again, we're sold out, so I had to get more. You may have seen these in the store before. And, but they're absolutely adorable. And there are people that leave them on the shelf like this because they're so darn cute, or use them as planters. They're great on the porch or right in the house. So sweet. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. And let's see. Okay. I don't know what it is either, guys. What should be the small one? And I said we're not going to do it. But that's okay. They're cute. And like I said, we sold out of them repeatedly. So we just keep carrying them. Ah. Yep, it is. It's the other bird. You didn't see that. Let's put this down. That is some serious recycling. So this is going to be the small one with it. Now you guys know that we do local artists as well, but right now we're showing a lot of the new fair trade items. Isn't that the sweetest thing in the world? That'd be cute sitting with one of these, wouldn't it? A real nature scene. So this is the little one. Okay. I don't know. I mean, I have our list. But I thought it would be fun. Let's discover together. Think there's going to be a lot more paper again? Oh! Yes, yes, yes. Okay. That's pretty. This is the first time I ordered this one, guys. It's an elephant. It's all hand cut and hand punched, and it's copper, so it's adorable for a candle. It'll reflect light. But I thought it'd make a cute little plant cover. Isn't that cute? So we have a lot of people that actually collect elephants. It's amazing the different things that people collect. Okay. So I think I'm going to do one more, and we'll leave it at that. I think, I was hoping I would be able to open, we had gotten some more bird feeders and bird houses, and they're a huge hit, and you probably already know that, and you might be waiting for that order to come in, because we've had quite a few sold recently. Oh, these are the bookends. Yes! Ah! The bookends. I have been wanting these for so long. In fact, I think in here is a second set, guys. I even ordered one for myself. Here, hold on. There's that one. Can you see it, Brad? And then I'll pan in on this one. Look, isn't that a great bookend set? I love it. So yeah, Brad, we have one now. It's going to be in our family room on the shelf. So everybody, here, I'm going to stop there. We did get a birdhouse in here and stuff, but I think that's enough. And I'll post the other stuff later. And let me flip it around for everyone. Hold on. Hi, Kevin. Thank you for watching. And here we go. Here, let's face the light so they can see us, Brad. Ta-da! So I love unboxings. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked the things that we brought in. A lot of the stuff we brought in was just sold out, so I got more. That's it.
That's it.
So
thanks, everybody.
Hope everybody's well. And remember, we are now on East Brainerd Road in Chattanooga. And we are redoing the website for the makers, but as well as upgrading the website for Good World Goods. So you can still shop online. And hope all is well, and we'll talk to everybody soon. Bye-bye.
Bye now.